Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how I make French toast. This is going to be a quick video because it's 10:25 and I have class at 11. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll need bread. Here, I'm just gently stretching the bread because it was slightly squished. Cut the bread into thirds, like so, and put aside. Next, we're going to mix 2 tablespoons of milk with 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix until you have a nice bath to soak your freshly cut bread in. Now, we need to go over to the stove. Come on, you guys should be over here. That's better. 2 tablespoons of canola oil on medium-high heat until it's shimmering. Once it starts shimmering, start dipping your bread into your egg mixture and let it soak on each side for 15 seconds. Once you're done soaking, put it straight into the pan and let it start toasting. Do this for every piece or as many as you can fit in the pan. While I wait for that to toast, I'm mixing 2 tablespoons of brown sugar with 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon and crudely crushing it together to create a nice cinnamon and brown sugar mixture. At this point, the bread has been sitting in the pan for about 2 minutes. Let's start flipping them over, and as you can see, they're nice and toasted. Once both sides are evenly toasted, toss it into the cinnamon and brown sugar mixture until it has an even sugary coat on all sides. Ouch. Oh man, why is this last one so hot? Okay. There we go. Okay, now we're mostly done. Just gonna put some maple syrup on here and sprinkle it with some confectioner sugar. And okay, this is not coming off of my hand. Wow, don't do this like this. If you're gonna do confectioner sugar, just do it a different way. Now for the final step, we just have to take a picture for all of our social media friends to see. And let's dig in. Oh man, that is some good French toast. And that's how I make French toast. I'm just going to take this plate with me because it's 10:45 and I got to go to class like right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.